Welcome to the Digium D80 IP phone training series, How to Manage Call Rules video. Call rules allow you to tell Switchvox how to find you and what to do with your calls if it can't. Setting call rules helps you manage your workflow. Before creating a call rule, be aware that setting up call rules incorrectly can cause problems. It's good practice to check with your system administrator before activating any new call rules. To create and configure your call rules, first access the user portal. You will need your extension number and password. If you do not have this information, contact your system administrator. Once you have logged into the user portal, hover over the Features tab and select Call Rules. A list of your default call rules is displayed, including rules for when to send unanswered calls to voicemail and what to do with your calls when your status is set to Do Not Disturb. To set up a new call rule, on the Unanswered Call tab, click the Create Call Rule Set button. In the General Settings dialog box, give your call rule a name. In this example, let's set a call rule for when you are away on vacation. Select a time frame for your call rule. Choices include anytime, outside business hours, during business hours, and weekends only. In this example, let's choose anytime. Finally, select a status that will activate the call rule. In this example, we'll select Extended Away Vacation from the options. Click Save Call Rule Set. Once you have completed the call rule settings, you need to add actions that the call will follow when this rule is used. Click Create Action to set up the details of your call rule. Choose from 6 different types of call rule actions. Send to voicemail sends the call to your system voicemail after a designated number of unanswered rings. Call forward sends the call to your Switchvox softphone or to other users in the system. Call cascade will ring one device, then another, and then another of your choice until you are reached or until another call rule is triggered. Secret code password protects your extension, requiring a caller to enter the code before the call can be connected to your extension. Ring all is similar to call cascade, but rings up to 3 designated devices at one time. Decline disconnects the call. Each type of call rule action will have an options dialog box for you to make additional selections. For this example, let's select Call Forward. All calls will be forwarded to a specific user's extension. Select All Calls from Type of Call. Enter the extension you would like to forward the calls to, or search to select an extension. Select the number of rings that will occur before the forwarding call rule is activated. Since this call rule will be enabled during a vacation period, select Immediately for the forwarding activation. Click Save Action. To activate the vacation call rule, set your status to Extended Away Vacation. The call rule is now activated. To disable the vacation call rule, simply change your status from Extended Away Vacation to Available upon your return. This will return your call rules to their normal state. Learn more about setting your status in the Digium D80 IP phone training video, How to Set and Change Your Status. For any call rules that you have created and configured, you may move the rules up or down in order of activations, edit the rule's details, or delete the rule. Thank you for watching the Digium D80 IP phone training series, How to Manage Call Rules video.